Bonjour, bonjour tout le monde. Regardez, my shoulders still killing me. I don't know because I'm being very même comme ça. I'm always trying. Yeah, so I wake up for, you stretch your body because, I'm old. Like I just get up right now. You have to do a little movement before you get up. After your 30s, then I put my dishes away. Then I make my green juice, cucumber, pineapple, ginger, lemon. Then you blend it. Then after that, I put it away. Then I did some exercise. Not nothing serious. Just something they show me in physical therapy just to make me feel better because I cannot do much. I cannot do no sit up, no. I did some squat today. Supposedly I did like 30, so that's good. But cannot do no sit up, no push up, nothing yet. So I was trying to see if I sweat a little. I did sweat a little. Yeah, because I'm trying to make my belly match my Buddha. Mbaka ge sans Buddha map gen vent too, you see? They have to be equal. Sans Buddha, no vent. That's exactly I want to go back to that. Yes. 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 Ooh, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I look good, girl. With your flat ass. That was me showing. Always dancing. Then I drink my green juice, I always do that after I exercise. After my green juice, then I, make my bed, do a little cleaning. Then I want to take a shower, always dancing for some reason. Then clean face. Ooh, girl. Then, now I'm doing some meditation. But I couldn't sit down on the floor because of my back. So much going on. So I had to, again, dancing. I was singing, I'm gonna be alright. I'm gonna be alright. That's what I said. Then I had to sit on the couch with a pillow on my back to meditate. Usually I do like for 15 to 20 minutes. I'm trying to go longer than that. It's really peaceful. I feel like so in peace. When I take a minute, just clear my mind from everything what's going on because shit ain't going good right now. But I'm gonna be alright. I'm gonna be alright. Be alright. Yeah. Really? I didn't realize that video was so long. And trust me, I caught it. It is still long. Nobody wanna see you meditated for that time, okay? It is toi. Then I'm trying, the first time I'm making almond milk, so easy. I let it soak like overnight. I didn't know it was so easy to make almond milk. And those things are so expensive to buy at the store. I can just buy my own almond milk. Hey, I'm trying to learn how to make everything. Oat milk, coconut milk, peanut butter. Then, strain it. That's my strainer. Tell me you Haitian without telling me you Haitian. I don't know how to do that. I just asked my mom, can I get a strainer? And she made one for me with some toile. You know how they do it. Yes, I strain it. Then you put some, they say honey or agave. So 1 cup of almond, you blend it with 4 cups of water. You let it 1 cup of almond soak overnight. Then you drain it. Then you put it in the thing with 4 cups of water. You blend it. Then that's what you do. You just strain it, and that's it. Officially, then you add your, whatever. If you're honey, I add some agave. I didn't add that much because I don't want it to be sweet. I really want it to be unsweetened. So I just add a little agave. Then I stir it. Then I taste it. And it was delicious. That's what almond milk. Then I didn't learn. So I got some peanut butter. Then I got my book, a couple of pages. So because I was so busy doing phone call, look at me. And I do have a bookmark, but I like my paper. Then finish my peanut butter. So, sky high. That's my cum box, I call it. Then I have dinner. I made a mistake of going to bed after dinner. Drink some water. Trust me, my body let me know I went to bed too early. So when I wake up, I make me my regular tea. Then let it cool down. Then I add some chai seed. I soaked my chai seed before. Then I drink it. Yes. Then, after 1 or 2 hours, the 2 hours, like, smoke the rest of my blunt. Then that's it. That was my day. You guys have a good night. I love you. BKD
I just
out.
realized I keep saying peanut butter instead of peanut, and I don't have no energy to redo the voice. So here you go. It's peanut instead of peanut butter, okay? BKD out.